What's good, AI Squad? Thank y'all so much for tuning back in with your girl. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post bell notification so you do not miss anytime I post a new video. So y'all, I'm going to be reacting to YB Big Truck. So if you guys want to stick around for that reaction, go ahead and keep watching. Hey, what? Yo, this is going on the playlist from the beat alone. Let me go ahead and put this. Yes. One thing about YB, he gonna drop some new music with a hard behind beat now. Don't get it twisted. Yeah. Alright now let me go ahead on back because I wasn't ready. Yeah.
Sick of bitch niggas from the city with that rapping. They know I make it happen, I ain't rapping. I'm on dope pay, bitch, and I'm acting. Yeah, he had diss me, bitch, and I smashed him. Pockets how it that is up and stash, we can't so back together. Bitch, I do you daddy, cut you swerving with that black beretta. Running out $1 million cash, what about Coachella? I want that shit that make you flash, cause it smoke better. Racks on a nigga hoe, racks I should do it better. Racks that little nigga broke, I put his ass on top of the stretch. I'll rob you on the second time I met you, bitch. Talk about beefing when I meet you, greet you with a blitz. Man, I hate a pussy nigga. I once had to show the pussy nigga. Pussy boy, say you lucky nigga. I had them young niggas in your yard waiting in your bushes, nigga. Young and pop out waiting with the run and he tryna cook a nigga. I'ma act bad and I'm gon' flash off these dirty jiggers. Get in my feelings by my cousin and we married niggas. I'ma get him zip straight off the rip as if he's swerving with you. Claim that he real know who he is, he got him saving with you. I'm a big truck, what? Roll out them pills inside the field, I cannot slip up. We don't give no fucks, nigga play, we tryna kill something. Tryna get my dick sucked, tell your mama let me feel something. I really be doing them things that them niggas personating. Them pussy niggas, they ain't about nothing, they some soldier hating. I ride you, bitch, I shoot you, bitch, I jack out your paper. Take all my chains off, jump in with 5, I'm tryna face them. I don't trust no bitch, no. I know that hoe gon' fuck on anybody lit around. No, I'm with that shit, come from that trench, pull and kick those. They won't let me buy, they wanna see a nigga fall down. Want me help them out or slip my throat because they been broke. I once had to show the pussy nigga. Pussy boy, say you lucky nigga. I had them young niggas in your yard waiting in your bushes, nigga. Young and pop out waiting with the run and he tryna cook a nigga. I'ma act bad and I'm gon' flash off these dirty jiggers. Get in my feelings by my cousin and we married niggas. I'ma get him zip straight off the rip as if he's swerving with you. Claim that he real know who he is, you got him saving with you. I'm a big truck, what? Roll out them pills inside the field, I cannot slip up. We don't give no fucks, nigga play, we tryna kill something. Tryna get my dick sucked, tell your mama let me feel something.
Hey. I love me some YB. Outfits eat every time. Like, yeah. Anyways, y'all, if y'all like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, like, comment, subscribe, share out that for your girl. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.